Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some important long question of ethics and values. Question number 1. Explain the main benefits of ethics and value education felt by you. Answer is the benefits are ethics and value education helps one to distinguish between right and wrong. It helps in building a good personal and professional life. It helps to eliminate problems like dishonesty, jealousy, etc. from one's life. It can wipe out bad influences in the society like violence, crimes, child abuse, women harassment, etc. It also helps in building a positive approach in life like self confidence, motivation, etc. Moral education helps one to be dedicated, loving, and caring for others. Moral education develops a positive attitude and healthy work culture in a person. It makes a person good human being and responsible citizen. Question number 2. Describe the factors that contribute for the moral degradation of the present society. Answer is due to the effect of globalization, modernization, industrialization, urbanization, privatization, and the influence of Western culture raised many problems and evils in Indian society, which starts declining ethical values in Indian society. So, the following factors are responsible for degradation of moral values. First point, lacking of value education. Today, people mostly live in nuclear families and parents are involved in their jobs and they cannot promote values at home. The present curriculum finds no space to value education but has the space to make them perfect money makers, politicians, doctors, engineers, artists, actors, but fails to inculcate humanity. Second point is privatization of educational institute is a major cause for the declining ethical values where educational institutes are the traders and the students are the customers. These institutes started courses on any discipline without basic infrastructure and qualified teaching faculties. Third point is increasing corruption in society. Fourth point is broken marriage. Everybody wants to be literate, self dependent, but no one is thinking about excellence. Husband and wife both try to dominate themselves and did not mutually cooperate with each other, which leads to divorce. This situation leads to very bad impact on children's mind. Fifth point is in India today most of the unsocial activities are being committed by well educated new generation people. The relationship between teacher and student lack confidence towards each other. Students lack humanity towards other persons, family, society and nation. ଅଧିକରୁ ଅଧିକ ଅପଡେଟ୍ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଲାଇକ୍ ଏବଂ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ।